don't feel anything anymore. Ready? Woo! Taka! Help, Mom! 1, 2, 3, go!
Aki was funny, man. He took, I don't know, maybe 5 minutes to jump. He was thinking too much. I thought that he won't jump, but he did.
Aki! Survivor Aki! Thank you. I'm still alive.
Nice.
Thank you.
Next, me? Me. Ano na?
Ganun pala yung feeling pag nandun ka na sa taas, hindi ka basta-basta tatalon. Sa'yo, tapos sabi ko, pag tinalon to ni Aki, pag hindi siya nag-back out, kaya ko rin to.
Ha? Wow! Grabe! Too high! Ay! Wow! Ah! 2, 1, bungee!
Parang sinigaw ko na lang siya para lang malabas ko yung yung parang kaba.
Okay, not much to lock. Everything lock. Yes.
I was scared, man. When the elevator started to go up, once I get there, I didn't want to think so much. Otherwise, I will not jump.
Sabay. Ah! 3, 2, 1, bungee!
So once I get there, I just look down and I jump. The cameraman didn't have any time to focus, you know.
Nice, it was nice.
I didn't think too much about it.
If you look now, it's worse. Don't just look straight.
Ay, ayos lang. Susubukan natin.
Sabi ko, kaya ko din yan. So sabi ng mga kasama namin cameraman, ang tatay pa, patanggan nyo. Oo, sige, kaya ko yan.
3, 2, 1, bungee!
Super tatay! We are proof.
Back to camp again. Ano? Isa?
Aso to.
Ha?
Gagalingan mo. Ang friendship mo ay huwag mong kakailanganan ha. Yung mga kasama mo matatanda ay igagalang ha. Yung mga kasama mo parang kapatid ha.
Siyempre.
Gagalingan mo.
Oo. Kaya to, dito na ako.
Okay ha. Gagalingan mo.
Oo, kita na yun, after ilang days na lang. Naging memorable to, what more sa tatay ko, na parang once in a lifetime niya lang to ginawa and sobrang magiging memorable talaga sa kanya to, as in...
Feeling ko talagang doon kami nabuo ang banding namin.
Oh yeah. Billy Joe. Thank you for everything. Dapat ako lang.
I try to give good energy. I say like nice words for him, keep it strong in the game. He was already the winner to be there until now.
Thank you so much for you the winner. You gave me very important time for this game.
My time will come, and I walk across fire into the sun.
Susunod sa Survivor Philippines.
In front of my face, sinabi niya sa akin na walang tribunal.